The lotus flower is another traditional kolam pattern. This pattern is made a bit differently than the others. One difference is that we don't use dots to serve as a guide for the pattern. Start by making a curve from the petals like this. Make another petal in the center. Then make a slightly larger petal on the other side. The kolam we're making today is small, but some can be very large and take several hours to complete. Now we'll make the leaves. The leaves should be smaller and a bit wider than the petals. Make lines for the veins like this. We'll add some powder to the base of the petals to create contrast. But you don't need to add a lot. Make the stem of the flower. This is a very simple one. Finally, add some more petals at the top, and your lotus flower is finished.